Hello everyone, welcome to FPLETC's another special segment Best Budget Forwards for the season 2021 and 2022. Selecting your forward has been one of the toughest jobs in FPL. As there is only 14 days to go, we thought maybe now is the proper time when we come up with our ideas. In this video, we will try to analyze some of the best forward options and we'll also discuss about their fixtures for the upcoming FPL season. So, let's go deeper into the video. 25-year-old English forward Ollie Watkins made his EPL debut last year with Aston Villa. In his only first season, he scored 14 goals, assisted another 9 and provided 168 FPL points. Before joining Aston Villa, Watkins had been a player of Brentford and he was named EFL Championship Player of the Year in 2020. Last year, he made 97 goal attempts and took 87 shots towards the goal from the inside of the box. He ranks third and second respectively in those shots, which is really astonishing for an EPL debutant. He also had involvement in 50.9% of goals. Last season, he scored against teams like Arsenal, Liverpool, Tottenham and Everton. FPL managers would hope he continues his form against all types of opponents this season, as he has players like Buendia and Grealish behind him, and Aston Villa will face 4 big teams from game week 4 to game week 7. A lot of FPL managers have already made their minds to start the season with Watkins. 31-year-old English forward Michail Antonio had become a player to watch for FPL managers in recent seasons. In his last 2 seasons, he scored at least 10 goals, while he also didn't even play 2000 minutes. Last year, along with scoring 10 goals, he also assisted another 5. He has been an injury-prone player recently and West Ham would try to back him up in the recent upcoming future with some fresh blood. Still, last year he had 54.1% of goal involvement, which is really eye-catching. If he stays fit, he could be the man upon whom West Ham team would depend on the season starting because of his vast experience where they would face Leicester, Manchester United, Leeds and Everton in their first 8 game weeks. 29-year-old English forward Callum Wilson played an important part for Newcastle last season. He scored 12 goals and assisted another 6 in which was his only first season for Newcastle. He got players like Saint Maximin and Joelinton beside him. Wilson had 74.2% of goal involvement when he was on the pitch, and this stat really reflects his capability and impact on the team. Newcastle have a tricky fixture run at the starting of the upcoming season and they will depend on their star frontman Callum Wilson to guide them through the right way. The outburst of Leicester City forward Kelechi Iheanacho was one of the most fantastic incidents for a lot of FPL managers last season. Iheanacho wasn't in the first choice starting 11 at the starting of the season. He only started 2 of Leicester's first 21 Premier League games. But then, because of several key players' injuries, he entered into the team and scored 12 goals in 10 matches in the month of March and April. The Nigerian forward became his manager Brendan Rodgers one of the favorite players. He had a 53.3% goal involvement when he was on the pitch. In the upcoming season, he may face a competition for his place as Leicester has already signed Patson Daka. But we think Kelechi would get his fair chances at the starting of the season, where Leicester would face West Ham, Manchester City and Manchester United in their first 8 game weeks. Ivan Toney had a brilliant last season at the Championship with Brentford. He scored 32 goals and assisted another 10 in only 48 appearances, which is really a stunning performance. Much is being discussed about Toney being another Bamford in the upcoming season. Before you join any of these discussions, we would like to inform you that Toney made 146 goal attempts last season and took 99 shots from inside of the box. He also had goal involvement of 51.2%. As this is Brentford's first appearance in this version of EPL, every match would be difficult for them, especially the starting ones where they would face Arsenal, Aston Villa, Liverpool, West Ham and Chelsea in their first 8 game weeks. But still, the astonishing stats of Ivan Toney have already made FPL managers starting to believe on his capabilities and they will be picking him in their teams to start the season. In this regard, we would provide you a special note about Ivan Toney. His price is 6.5 million and ownership is already 36.5%. Brentford will have a fixture swing from game week 5. If Toney doesn't play according to the expected level at the season starting, then managers will start selling him and his price will rapidly decrease. At that moment, you would not have many more options to replace him other than by Pukki and Welbeck in this price range. So, if you have him in your team, then you must have a transfer plan for him. For further information about him, you can have a look at our content about Brentford. 30-year-old Mexican forward Raúl Jiménez was a star performer for Nuno Espirito's Wolves side. But last year, unfortunately, he suffered a skull injury and couldn't play a single minute since December 2020. He is said to be back this season. If he can regain his previous form, he would be a good asset to have under Wolves' new manager Bruno Lage. Teemu Pukki is back at Premier League with his team Norwich after just one season. He scored 26 championship goals last season. Norwich would have a fixture swing from game week 5 in the upcoming season. Pukki could be considered to be picked at that moment. He could be a replacement of Ivan Toney at that moment if Toney can't perform up to the expected level. Former Manchester United and Arsenal forward Danny Welbeck played just over 1500 minutes in 24 appearances for Brighton last season. He scored 6 goals and assisted another 4. He is expected to have an impactful upcoming season. Again, it's not a right thing to compare championship stats with Premier League stats, but let's just try to summarize all the players we have discussed about in 2 pieces of tables. According to XG, Ivan Toney tops the chart, followed by Teemu Pukki and Watkins. We can see all the forwards performed quite good and almost fulfilled their XG, except Toney obviously overperformed with 32 goals and Antonio underperformed a bit with his 4 less goals than XG. In minutes per goal attempt chart, Kelechi Iheanacho comes first, followed by Teemu Pukki, Ivan Toney and Michail Antonio. Now, if we look at the XA chart, we find Pukki highly overperformed with his 12 assists. Toney also overperformed as he has assisted 10 against his 6.94 XA. In minutes per chance creation chart, it's Kelechi Iheanacho who comes first. He is followed by Teemu Pukki, Welbeck and Antonio. That was all the analysis from us in the budget forward segment. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment in the comment box about what you think of this video analysis. Thanks for watching the video. Keep an eye on us for our upcoming contents. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe FPL ETC on social media. We hope to see you in our next video. Till then, do take care and stay safe.